Sneakerheads. How you doing?
Sneakerhead, bro, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Good, good. Hey, man, what's up with my shoes, man? You got
What
my
shoes?
shoes? Nah, don't play with me,
What
man.
shoes?
You know my shoes. Yeah, where my
Oh,
shoes at, man? What you got for me?
you mean these?
Uh-oh. Yeah, I see the box. I
When you
see
wear
the
a size
box.
12?
Yes, sir. That's right. Size 12. Yeah.
That's all I got.
Nah, man, what's in that box? That could be anything in there. Okay. Uh-oh. Ooh, wee. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mm, mm. Them Thunder. Right on, right on. Hey, so did they sell
You
out?
know, I did a video, looked like they was sitting, but when I went up to Snipes, they was actually doing a first come, first serve. So
Uh-huh.
we only had a few small sizes left, but pretty much the men sold out.
Oh,
So,
okay.
but the grade school, if you still need grade school, they still there. Sold out because resale value ain't high, so they just sitting.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, good. Well, you know what came out today, don't you?
Was it them Jordan 5 crafts?
Yeah. Yeah, they came out today, them fives, the crafts. Right now they're going for what, 210?
Yeah,
Yeah.
210.
Oh, okay. Okay. What's the feedback on those? You hearing any feedback on those?
Yeah, well, I had went up to the mall today and it
Okay.
looked like they was sitting in
Okay.
men's and in grade school. So you still want them? They're available for y'all sneakerheads. Yeah, it's I think because it's light color, maybe people don't
Uh-huh.
want them. Get them. It's a nice summer shoe, but it's pretty nice, different material, and I'll show that tomorrow. You can
Uh-huh.
see it up close and personal on the side for yourself. But for me, it's just a light color. It's just too light.
Oh, okay. So it's not like a pure white.
Nah, it's more like off white, like tannish, but
Okay.
it's made of different materials. So materials is kind of different. You got different suede, different rough material suede.
Hey, I believe I could see me rocking those. So on the 18th, we got those lucky greens coming out.
Yeah, threes are
What?
my favorite silhouette.
Okay.
I'm kind of feeling these. I wish they was men's, but they women's. But I might try to get me a pair. I don't know. I'm on the fence about it right now. I don't have
Uh-huh.
any green. I don't have any green Jordans, so that's why I'm thinking about getting them. But also, I wanted them Nike SB4s in green
Okay.
and white ones, but I ain't feel like paying resale. They're already at like 380, so my size
Mm-hmm.
10. So I might get these for like a runner up pair of shoes. Again, I
Right.
don't have no green, and the threes is my favorite silhouette. But I'm still on the fence. So I gotta
I
decide
get
what
it.
I want to do.
Team the lucky greens is 200
Yeah,
$200.
they
So
should be fairly easy to get, in my opinion, because I think that because it's a women's silhouette.
but then on the 20th, Saturday, what you think about those Spider-Man that coming out? The ones.
But, I'm not a ones lover myself, so I have to defer
What?
that over to you. What do you think about ones since you're the one man?
It started from somewhere. That's why I believe I will always love the ones because
Hmm.
it had to start somewhere. I can see me rocking those. I'm looking forward to them coming out and seeing how they shape once they out there and stuff.
Well, we have a video on those, an on-feet review of those. So if you're still on the fence on the Spider-Man next chapter, we'll be
What,
hit. Look at that video.
what we got on the 24th, which is what, Wednesday? Next Wednesday,
Air
the
Jordan
6th?
6
Uh-huh.
Toro Bravo for a
Yeah.
price of $200. I don't know if you rock sixes. I got a few pairs, but these are all red. They say all the red Jordans do well. Only time will tell for these.
Okay.
I
Okay.
haven't seen any in hand, but I have seen some reviews, and the leather quality kind of reminds you of those Jordan 6 Georgetowns that I have.
Okay. So what type of reviews are you getting on those?
I think it's like mixed. It's 50-50. People love them, and some people don't love them. Like red shoes, they normally do good, but this is the six, so the six is not a really appealing silhouette as some of the other silhouettes.
Okay. Okay. Well, then on the 25th, they dropping two. You got the
And
ones, the
they dropping
KO.
two pairs. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, they dropping two pairs. You got the K, the Air Jordan ones, the KO, and then you got the ones, the OG low top.
yeah, coconut milk. Yeah, I seen
Yeah,
those. I
okay,
like the lows. I am a fan of lows. I do have a few in
okay.
summertime. For the ones to me is the go-to shoe. I'm not really
So,
feeling the bleach aqua because number
o-
one, JKO, is not really a silhouette that I'm a fan of.
right,
Plus, I already had some aquas already, so I have these.
okay,
I don't need another pair of aquas, so just try to be more selective. When you got a lot of shoes now I don't want like five shoes of the same color.
right. Well, hey, you know me. It doesn't matter. The way I look at it, what outfit I can rock with it. And with the bleach aqua, nah, gotta drop those. They nah, can't rock them.
Okay,
Yeah, right.
okay, I feel
But
you on that.
yeah, and then on the 27th, which is next Saturday, not this upcoming Saturday, the
Yeah,
27th.
finishing off the week. hmm
Yeah,
We
what you
got
think
two
of
shoes
those?
dropping again.
Yeah,
So next week's gonna be a crazy week. We got two on the 25th, two on the 27th. So if you got a lot of money, you can't get them all. You got to decide which one you want.
yeah, yeah. Hey,
You
do
see,
we
I'm
got
already rocking that blue. So
yeah,
I'm
okay,
a little bit I'm liking the Laneys. I don't have any Laneys in my collection, so I don't know. I do like 14s, but I haven't wore 14s in a while. My last 14 was the candy canes. And when
okay.
they reback to it, I should have got another pair because now my pair, the back is starting to tear off. So what do you think about them OG Craft, the pale vanilla? Since my one guy, what do you think about them?
You know what? All white, you gotta be careful
Yeah,
with that. You know me, I'm a one man all day. I love my retro ones, so
yes, sir.
it's 50-50. I'm 50-50. What really scares me is that vanilla.
It looks a pretty clean colorway to me. I just don't know, like the check, the swoosh, like it looks like a little bit of like either yellow or it could be like some type of cabinets material. I really can't make it out.
But I
All
appreciate
right,
you, man.
Sneakerheads, we appreciate y'all tuning in. And if you like more content like this, click this next video right here.
Peace.